Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my another video on Android app development. And so guys, this will be the part 2 of my video series on in-app Google Play service Play billing API using Android Studio. Alright guys, so now we will start our proper tutorial. So in this video we will start the work, and here so I have decided to make it to begin it from scratch. So here let me create another application in my Google Play console. Okay, so I will click on create app, and here we have to name it. So here we can say it to be Google my chats app premium. Alright, so after this I select app and I select free, I select confirm the laws, and then we have to click on create app. So now our application is created. So the first thing after you create this app is you have to go to your monetization setup, and there you can see this is your Google licensing key. Okay, so after this you have to click on in-app products, and there you can see your app does not have any in-app products yet, so we have to first of all upload a new APK file. Okay, then here we do not need to go here. Then we have to click on release, and here we have to click on internal app sharing. After we click on internal app sharing, there you will see an empty uploader list. Okay, and there you will also have the managed testers. So, and also here you can see email list will be here, so you have to create your tester email addresses. Okay, so for that let me here it is now refreshing, and I just quickly ignore this. Okay, so we will create the email list here. So there you can see we have to name the list, so here I can say friends. Okay, and here for the email addresses I have to put on the email address of all the testers who will be testing our application. Okay, so suppose I have this account, then I have this account as well. Okay, then I have to click on enter. So now it is added. Then another email address, so I can add it here. So I have these both here, and I have to click on save changes. Okay, so we have to create it. So after we have created it, you can see we have to check it. Okay, so after we check it, we have to click on save changes. Alright, so after this we have to select this manage the tester, so we have to check this anyone that you share the link with can download. Alright, so here after this we can also click on save changes and click on allow. So now you can see the permissions have been added, and for the email list I already have this friend, so we will check it and we will click on save changes. That's all from the internal sharing. So after this we have to go to our closed internal testings. Okay, so we have to click on internal testing, and we have to upload the APK file here. Okay, but before that we have to write all the code here. So in order to write all the code here, I have the library, and the library name is ANJLab, and it is the in-app billing version 3 API. So here what we can do is, first of all we have to implement this library. We will copy it and we will click on okay. So we already had done that in our previous part of the video tutorial. So now after we have added this, we have to write the permission. I think I also have added the permission here. Okay, so now we only have to write the code here. So in order to write the code here, first of all we have to implement a method, and we can say implements billing processor dot iBilling handler. Okay, so now it will show you error because we have to implement the abstract method. So click on alt enter and click on implement method. So these 4 methods will be implemented here. These are the on product purchased, on product history restored, and on billing error, and on billing initialized. So whenever our application is opened, now this on billing initialized method will be called. So it means that the Google Play API has been initialized successfully. Alright, after this we have to first of all use the billing processor class, and we name it as billing processor, and we have to initialize it. So to initialize it, we can say billing processor equal to new, or we can say billing processor dot new billing processor, and it is asking us for the context. We pass this, then it is asking for the license key. So the license key here I already had shown you, it will be here inside your, after you click on monetize, and here inside our monetization setup, and there you will see we have this. So I will just copy it and I will paste it like here, and the last one is the interface. So we just pass on our handler like this. Okay, so that how we initialize the billing processor. And yes, then we have the method billing processor dot initialize. So now the billing processor will be initialized, and then we have to write the code for the on destroy. So we have to destroy it if billing processor is not equal to null, then we have to destroy it. Then we can say billing processor dot release. Okay, so we have to release it inside our own destroy function. So after this, what we are going to do, it's very simple. We only have to write the here we have to override the method on activity result, and inside our own activity result, what we can do, let me just open it again. There you can see we have already implemented this, then we have initialized this, and we implemented these functions, and here we just have to copy it inside our own activity result, and here we have just pasted it, and instead of BP we can say billing processor. Alright, then after this we have to click on BP dot purchase here. So here after this we should have a button here. So here I can say button, and I have match parent wrap content, we can say text by my app. Okay, and here inside our own click we will select the method, and here what we can do is we can create a function for the on click. So we can say public void button click. Here we will have the view object here, and this button click we have to copy it, and here we have to say on click, and we have to paste it here. Alright, so here we only have to do billing processor dot purchase. So here we can purchase it. It is asking for the activity, and it is asking for the product ID. So we have to select the product ID. We have to create a product in our Google Play console. So here we must have a unique product ID. Okay, so for the unique product ID we can say like upgrade underscore premium. Okay, so I have this. So after this purchase, this function, this method will be called. So here inside our own product purchase we can simply write toast message main activity dot this, and we can say you have purchased successfully, and here we similarly just copy it and paste it inside our own error. So if the user has already purchased, so this on billing error will be here. So here we can say billing error, and after this here on billing initialize. So I also show you the text. So whenever we will open the app, we will be able to see this billing API is initialized. Alright, so that's it for the application, it's very simple. You only have to write all these things and you will be able to integrate it everything. Okay guys, so now here we will just we have to generate the released APK file because we have to upload it to the Google Play Console here. So for this internal testing here, so here we have to create a release. So in order to create the release, we have to create the release APK file. So here we have to upload. So in order to generate it, we have to click on build and click on generate signed bundle APK and select this Android app APK app bundle. Click next and click on new, and you have to first of all specify the where you want to have the JKS file. So here we can say tutorial and we press OK, and here we have the password. Okay, so I select the password as this. So I just write Harun Islamabad Punjab and 92. Okay, I press OK and I click on next and make sure you select this release and click on finish. So after you click on finish, the released APK file will be generated and you can upload that file to the Google Play Console for the testing purpose. So there you can see we already have generated the file. So let me just close all the folders. So there we can see we have this app release. So here we will can upload the release file. So here I will just open where we had the project. Here we can say app release and APK app release.aaf file. Alright, and after we upload it successfully, okay, so here it is saying that you have to use a different package name. So we have to change our package name because I already have this APK. So in order to change the package name, we can just say refactor, and here we can say Nabil S. Click refactor and click on do refactor. After this, go to your build.gradle and change it as well. Alright, so that's it is now successfully we have changed the package name, and now we have to click on again generate signed APK file and make sure that you selected the remember password. So we will just click next and click on finish. So after we click on finish, the released APK file will be built, and there you can see we have the file here release.apk. so now we can upload this APK file. So here I have uploaded this app release.aab file. So after this, what we are going to do, let me show you. Okay, so here we have this of your application, and we just write anything here and we click on save and click on review release. So we have to click on review release and click on start rollout to internal testing. So here we have started the rollout to our internal testing, and after this we have to click on go to monetize and click on in-app products, and there we can now create the product and make sure that you have the ID same which you had specified in your application. So here we have this upgrade premium, so I will just copy it and I will paste it here, and also we name it, we just say name, publish, and we have to here select a template. So in order to have the template, so here we can say manage pricing, we just say leave and discard. So there we have to create a template. So there we can say name template, tutorial template, and we have to set the price, and here we can have the price as 105. Click on default, include taxes, and click on save. So there we have already have this. And here if we click on linked products, so there you can see link in app products, and for this we have to select the our application. So this is the tutorial and this one is the my chat app premium. Alright, so here we have this application, and now we have to go to our Google Play console and we have to select this file, and then we have to click on okay. So it is not yet available, and after this we have to go to our internal testing, then we click on testers, and there you can see we have this copy link. Okay, so you have to copy the link and we have to open it in our browser of your testing device. So we will click on Chrome. I will just close it, and we will paste it, and there you can see welcome to the internal test program, and we have to click on download the okay. So it is, I think it is the previous one, so we did not copy the link here. Let me just copy it and paste it. Okay, so I think how we can just copy the link. So let me just have it like this. Let me okay, so I will just copy it and I will open my WhatsApp. So I have it in my WhatsApp, so there we will be able to see it here. Okay, let me just enable the presentation mode, and here we have the application, the link here. So we just have to copy it and we have to paste it like this, and it is saying that app not available for this account. Okay, so I think that is we did not enable the tester here. Okay, so we did not selected this, so we have to click on save changes, and now if we click on it again, so it is again saying that we app not available for this account. I think which account I am going using. So if I click on play.google.com, I am using Haroon Studios 47, and if I click on it again, and there here you can see now you have been invited to an internal test of Com Flana, and if you accept the app on your device, and we have to click on accept invitation, and now we have accepted the invitation, and there you can see if you have the application installed on your device, you will receive updates. So here we can download it on the Google Play Store. So we will open the Google Play Store, and there you will be able to see the application here. My internet has been so slow now, so I will connect it with my other device. So there I don't know why it is not opening the. Let me just open it again. Okay, we just remove everything from here, and let me reconnect it again. And there, if we click on download in Google, download it on Google Play Store, and it is not opening here, so I have to check why it is not opening. Maybe because my internet is not working properly. So I will pause the video and come back. So I think we had checked these both of these lists, so I think we only have to check only one list. Okay, so we have the friend list here, and we will just now copy the link, and here we have the Visor app. So I have changed my phone as well. So here how we can do, so I will just open my and there we will have this. We have to copy this and then we have to work. So here I will open my new phone and I will open my WhatsApp. I will click on this, and it is also saying that app not available for this account. I think there is an error for specifically for this. So if you also face that problem, so you can comment down below and I will answer those. Okay, so I think that is enough. Let me check it again, which email address I have put on. I think there is no in-app products here, so that's why it has some problem, I think. So let me create the product. So here we had the product name as Upgrade Premium, and we click on save, and yes, now this is now complete and it is showing us inactive. So after this we have to click on in-app internal app sharing, and now click on internal testing. Then we have the testers here, and now we copy the link. So if I open it from my phone again, and it's again showing me error. So guys, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.